So yesterday I went for a bit of a wander, primarily just to test out some new kit. I got a new microphone, but as I was out I took quite a lot of footage. So the following you're going to see is just a result of that little wander. So if I do mention the mic quite a lot, ignore it. I'm going to be doing a separate review for that one at another date. So enjoy! It's stunning down here. I'm trying to convince myself that I'm on the lake, the shores of Lake Windermere or Loch Morlich in the Cairngorms. It's so beautiful. And, you know, on a sunny day, pretty much everywhere's beautiful, isn't it? Well, there's certain exceptions, obviously. But no, on a grim day, this would have been nice. But, you know, like when I came down last time, it was pretty grim. And it was just getting dark. But now in the sunshine, winter sun, it's just fantastic. Let's have a look again. I've said before on previous videos how lucky I am to have this kind of scenery on my doorstep, and you do take it for granted. And I mean, I'll be honest with you, the whole lockdown thing, it's not bothered me that much. It's just a pain in the bum, innit? For me personally. I know a lot of people are affected differently, but for me it's just not being able to go camping, not being able to nip out to the lakes or wherever, and not seeing my parents. So it is all a bit of a, excuse my French, a ball ache, but it's not affected me really, mental health wise. Just knacks me off. So I mean, I'm lucky to have this kind of place on my doorstep. So a lot of people are sat, you know, in high-rise blocks of flats, you know, with nowhere to go and no scenery, no sunsets, no reservoirs to walk out to, and it's those people I feel really sorry for. And you can understand why, to a degree, that, you know, their mental health is being affected, because, you know, if you're stuck in a high-rise in a city centre and you've not got any green spaces around you, and all you've got is, well, walking on the block on concrete, then it's not very good, is it? Whereas I'm lucky enough to have this kind of view. I mean, even if I didn't, I'll be honest with you, if I couldn't come out walking, it's hard to say. It wouldn't be the end of the world. I'd be nacked, but you know, every little bit that helps your mental health is great, isn't it? But I don't think I'd be getting depressed. I'd just be fed up. Like you get fed up with you. Like I'm fed up that I can't go to the Lake District, and I'm fed up I can't take my tent out and go camping. So, you know, but it's one of those things. But I had my jab the other day, my COVID vaccination, so the first one. So fingers crossed we're getting a little bit closer to some kind of normal. But just a little message to those people out there who are struggling with mental health because of lockdown. And it's easy for me to preach, I know I do it sometimes, but just focus on the good things. You know, get out, get some fresh air, even if it is just walking on the block, doing some kind of exercise. You know, well, I know the gyms are shut, so we're all having to improvise, but just get out for a walk, try and find a park. You know, even if you do have to drive a couple of miles to find somewhere, or a bit further, you know, if you haven't got a suitable space, then go for it. You know, your mental health is really important. So yeah, and for those who can't get out, you know, hopefully watching my videos doesn't rub your nose in it. It's kind of helping you, and it'll make you feel a little bit better because you get to see these spaces, and at least you can see something on the TV or on your computer or on your phone. Makes you feel a little bit better. So fingers crossed, myself and all the other YouTubers that are doing similar sort of things are helping you a little bit. Chin up, guys, nearly there. Oh dear, looks like the footpath's a little bit flooded. Testing the Gore-Tex out today, big time. So I'm currently on the Thornton Viaduct, which is part of the Great Northern Trailway. This used to be a railway line. I won't pretend to know where it went from and to, but I know there's a station at Queensbury, which is at the bottom of the valley. Some cracking views from the top up here. I'll just show you over the side. So I'm coming towards the end of the route, not a million miles away, about half a mile from home now. So only time will tell if this is going to be a few minute video or just scrapped. I took some pretty good footage, so it'd be a shame to not share it. But like I said before, I don't want to put stuff out for the sake of it. But if it's worth putting out, then I'll put it out. Just want to give another shout out to Anthony Johnson, who started a couple of weeks ago, I think it was, his own lockdown challenge. Now, off the top of my head, I can't remember exactly what it was. It was a virtual walk, so he was going to cover the mileage of a certain walk, and I can't remember, was it possibly Cleveland way? Could be completely wrong. But anyway, it was a virtual walk, 100 odd miles. He was trying to do it all locally. That was his lockdown challenge, and he started the hashtag, or continued it, lockdown challenge, hashtag lockdown challenge. So I was hoping to get people who were in lockdown, just be a bit more positive, get out and do something and create their own lockdown challenge. Now, I'm probably not going to set up a lockdown challenge, because whenever I set challenges for myself, I forget about them and I don't get them done. But if I set a mileage challenge for myself, it'd be a tricky one, because I walk 5 to 10 miles a day at work every day. It's kind of my job walking, and then I'm trying to get out at least once or twice on my rest days. So this is Friday of my 4-day rest days. So I'm doing about 8 or 9 miles today. I'm supposed to be going out with Debs tonight when I get home, and then again tomorrow after she finishes work. So I'm not going to set a distance challenge, but my personal challenge for lockdown is just going to be to get out a bit more, get a few more miles in, even at work, because sometimes I can be a bit lazy. I'm trying to get a few extra miles in every week, and stop getting fat, because in lockdown I've eaten a bit crap and I'm not getting out as much, obviously not getting to the gym. So on the whole, once I'm getting fat, I've got down to under 12 stone for the first time in a while today. So that's a start. So my lockdown challenge, more miles and shift another 6 pounds. So that's a hashtag lockdown challenge. So see if you can do your own lockdown challenge. And if you're thinking of doing one, tag me in it, mention me in your videos if you do one, or comment below and see what you think. So spread the love, everybody. Let's have a lockdown challenge and get something positive out of being stuck at home when we can't get out to the normal places we go. So I think I shall sign off now, because, well, I've prattled on enough and I don't even know if it's going to be released. So I hope you've enjoyed it, if you've seen anything. Hopefully the mic audio has made it a little bit more crisp than the GoPro mic, but we'll wait and see, won't we? So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll probably tag a few videos that I've previously done in this video. Get them watched. Tell all your friends. Share. Spread the love. Cheers guys. See you soon.